Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja and today we are doing a wig review. So this is going to be an Amazon wig review. I think this is perfect, like the perfect dupe for the now highlighted brown wig. Everybody has been buying these highlighted like piano wigs that cost $200 to $300, and Amazon has the best dupe for it that's synthetic. Hello. So I'm like, I need to tell my subscribers about this because I've been wanting one, but I didn't want to pay the money for it because one, it's a pandemic, I'm not going anywhere, so I'd rather be cute and not waste all my money. But I mean, there are people who would want to put heat on the hair, like curl it, straighten it, whatever, but I think this is a great dupe. So I'm just like, let me show them. I'm like, let me show them. I'm excited. Are you excited? Because I got a piano wig for the low. I'll have everything listed down below, colors, pricing, where it came from. Duh, came from Amazon, but I got it right here. It's like the perfect highlighted wig. Like, I didn't know Amazon had these skills. We are just going to try this on, fix it up, do whatever we got to do, but it's really already straight, so I don't think we have to do much. But the one thing I did notice is that there's not a great hairline, which sucks, but we can definitely do something to fix it up. There are two combs in the front, and there's also adjustable straps and a back comb, but there's only this much lace, so this is not enough for me. So it's kind of, I think, what, like a 2x2, a 1x1, a 0x0. That's how small this like parting space is, and it's like there's this thick layer, I would say, of mesh, because it's not lace. It feels like a styrofoam like mesh. I can't explain it, but there's not much lace, and I'm kind of worried about that. But let's just see how we feeling, because regardless of if you pluck the part, there's still gonna be a thick layer of hair here. And if you do buy this wig, you'll see what I'm talking about. But let's just not even worry about it, because we have concealer, we have our foundations, and we are going to get this fixed up. So let's put it on. So I'm just gonna cut the lace off here. I mean, who really cares? But I'm gonna cut off all this lace, all 2 inches of it, without trying to cut off the hairline. So I'm just gonna cut very carefully. Oh, this wig is gonna need some work. Okay, let me actually get it straight. It's cute though, color wise. I would say it's kind of big head friendly. It's actually super flat. Like, I didn't do anything to it. I just put it on my head. There isn't a lot of shedding right now. Tangles are honestly like the same as what it would be with like a regular synthetic wig, like from like Outre, Sensational. It's not as thick as Sensational's wigs. It's kind of giving me the same vibes as Outre hair in a sense. And just the way that it's laying on my head already shows me like it's semi-decent. I just wish there was more like parting space and stuff. So I do have my tweezers. I didn't want to do this like on camera because I feel like you can do it off camera. But as you can see, like the parting space isn't that big. And it's very easy to take hair out. I don't think that's a good thing, but just be careful when you're plucking. I would suggest to pluck the part just to kind of get a bit more space in there. We're gonna work some magic. So I'm gonna use 2 of my concealer shades. So this one is a little bit darker. This one's just for like spotting all over the face, but this one is what I really highlight with. So I'm just gonna combine the two. So I'm just going to place them in the part. And your part, your like skin, your scalp is usually like more so towards the lighter side. So I kind of want to like get like a good color going there. It already looks a lot better. So you just want to get the little bit of lace that was, oh no. You want to get the lace that is on here. We are definitely going to get the back looking a little less big up top. But I'm just gonna kind of get the back a little. When it comes down to laying down synthetic wigs, you should be using Got To Be. I feel like bold hold isn't needed for synthetic wigs because you literally take them on and you take them off. They're not like I'm laying my wig for 2 weeks type thing. Like you don't do that when it comes to synthetic wigs. But it's definitely giving me the piano vibe from like all of the hair companies that have wigs out now, like Divas Wigs, Alley Pearl, Beauty Forever Hair, like all of them, Love Me Hair. Everybody has a piano wig and I'm just like, dang, I found a good dupe. Okay, literally all I did was put concealer in the parts and that was it, and now it looks super natural. If you want to create baby hair, you would literally have to do it within this little bitty space, like literally up to here. So it would be one of those swoops when it came to like your middle part, but that's really not me, y'all know that. But for other people, it might be your thing. This is one of the best dupes for this piano hair, the highlighted hair, anything you want to call it. Like, I think it's a great dupe for it. I definitely think it is a steal. Less than $30 versus $200-300. Like, so definitely if you've been wanting a highlighted wig, try this one first and see how you like it. I think it's a hit. It's a good hit. You were looking for that highlighted piano wig, it's right here. It is right here and it is affordable and it is less than $30. Hopefully it does not go up. There's only a few things that I wish would change, but for what it's worth, it is worth the money. Like, it's worth the money. Just the overall structure of the wig, like you would never think this was synthetic, but it is, because y'all know how I am. Y'all know. But I barely had to manipulate this wig, so I think that's why I'm like, y'all need to go get this wig. Everything will be linked down below in the description. This is one of the best hair dupes I've ever had. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, honey, because your girl did not come to play. Because this wig, it's vibe.